When water strikes, you need a hero, and Chicagoland Water Medics is here to save the day in the Chicagoland area. Whether it's water damage restoration, mold remediation, or emergency flood services, we've got you covered. Got a soggy mess? Our 24/7 response team is ready for any flood cleanup or emergency water extraction, treating every inch with care to protect your home or business. Don't let water damage linger. Choose the pros who understand it best. Call us today, and let's get your space back to normal, quick, and hassle-free.